Hold on a sec. How are you, my friend? We get a sandwich here for you. Water there for you, sandwich.
Thanks, I appreciate
Yeah, there you go. What's your name?
Sterling.
I'm Bill.
Bill?
Yeah. Take care, my friend. I hope all works out for you.
Yeah, I hope it work out for me too, man.
Yeah.
How long you had that bike?
Oh, a little less than a year. Just gets me all around, you know? It's an XR 150.
We're expecting to know you wash it.
No, I washed it one time.
I can see the motor, everything is clean and fresh.
Yeah, it's clean. It's clean. On off-road I go.
All right, man, take
Wait, take care, Sterling, all right?
care, man.
God bless you, my friend.
Stay
Take care.
safe.
Yes, sir. Take care, man.